Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 8 from the No Men Are Foreign. Answer these questions in 2 to 3 sentences each. Okay, so it carries 2 marks. Why does the poet discourage the war and hatred? Okay, ಸೊ ದ್ವೇಷ ಮತ್ತು ಯುದ್ಧಗಳನ್ನ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The answer: war harms everyone, including we. Isn't it? So ವಾರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯುದ್ಧ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದನ್ನ ತೊಂದರೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಬಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿವೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ದ ವಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. Isn't it? So it harms everyone whether they are involved in the war or not. Okay, so the third person, the third country or the other neighboring countries are also getting harmed in the war, isn't it? The common people, even if they are not involved in the war, they had to face many problems. They have to face many problems due to the war conditions. Okay, here war harms everyone, including we. Hatred andre dvesha. Hatred divides people who are essentially the same, isn't it? Hatred ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ದ್ವೇಷ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜನರನ್ನ divide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It doesn't unite. Okay, if there is hatred between the nations, between the people, it divides them into separate borders. Okay, ಅವರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. you can see in the name of the religion, in the name of the races, in the name of the sometimes in the name of the gender, the people are divided, isn't it? So they are, in the name of the caste also, the people are divided due to the hatred in their mind. Okay, so here war harms everyone and hatred divides people. It doesn't allow us to get united, so who are essentially the same. Okay, so even if the people are from different countries, different cultures, different backgrounds, they all are same, isn't it? So they all same. The poet says here, they all share the same earth, same sun, same universe, isn't it? They share the same emotions. So hatred, there should not be hatred in the minds of the people. It divides the people even if they are the same. Okay, that is why this is the reason the poet discourages the war and the hatred. ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮತ್ತು ದ್ವೇಷ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಡಿಸ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕಿರ್ಕಪ್ ಇಸ್ the poet here. Thank you.